You will know there is spiritually you are dead when there is no impartation in whatever you're doing. If there is no impartation, whatever kind of teaching, whatever kind of the presence you are working. Maybe you are a doctor, maybe you're a businessman, maybe you are in department of hospitality, and they discover that your presence does not bring impartation. Unakuta watu walikuwa wanalala na bado ukiwa hapo bado wanalala, na mukiendelea bado sasa wakaongezeka wakalala. It means your presence did not bring any impartation. You here in this church you came, na nilikuhubiria because you did not come because there was a church here. You came because you had a message, because there are many churches here, because the message you heard from me brought you. Kwa hivyo ni mimi nilifanya ukuje hapa. Ask yourself, since you came here, how many people have come because of you? That is how you know whether you're spiritually dead. The part of your impartation, is it alive or dead? How many people have come since you came because of you? If there is none that has ever come because of you, then you're spiritually dead in that line of impartation. You got no capacity to impart. You know that you're spiritual dead when there is no word from God. No, when there is no word from God, there's a church like this one. Only what I teach is motivational talks. What I'm here is give you motivational talks, stories, but not the word of God. The word of God that is structured in the foundation of God, structured in the will of God, structured in the perfect word, Spirit of God. If I come here just to give you motivational song, I'm not different from Lumumba. I'm not different from Raila Odinga. I'm not different from James Sorengo. I'm not different from William Ruto. I am not a man of God, because whatever I'm releasing to you ni vile vitabu nimesoma mingi na story mingi ile nimesikia kwa watu. Hiyo story mingi ndio ninawaambia. So I am not imparting you with the actual word of God, with the actual Spirit of God, that I am able to change you. No, I'm not able to change you, because whatever I am speaking to you is not of God, but is of me.